Yeah. 3:30 in the morning, and we're getting a light dusting of snow. 31 degrees, so it's sticking. Well, the roads seem fine. Yeah, it's just a real light snow, but coming down at a pretty good clip. And have to start coating the plants and the vehicles. We'll check around back. Let me turn the light on real quick here. There we go. Yeah, we're getting just a light coating. This might last maybe another hour or two, and then it'll clear out. Huh. Yeah. Kate's got her snowflake out. Well, we're getting it. Albeit just tiny flakes. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get a whole lot out of this storm. Third winter storm event, but this one's cranking up and moving towards the northeast, so don't think we're going to see much out of this other than what we're getting now. By morning it'll be gone, or the storm will be cleared out, but oh well. Still kind of neat to see here in the Carolinas, because it's pretty rare that we get snow around here. The winds are going to start whipping up. I know that. They're going to be like 20-30 miles an hour. So, yeah, definitely going to be blustery. Yeah, snow is lightening up some. Might be getting ready to move on out, but, you know, we just got a dusting. I don't even think we got 1/4 of an inch. Maybe 1/4 of an inch. That's about it. Huh. Yeah, I mean, plant's got a nice little dusting. Nothing sticking to the concrete, so that's good. Yeah, we'll take a look around back. Yeah, the temperature's continuing to drop. I think it's going to get up to maybe 37 a day for a high. That's it. And then it's dropping to 20 or below. Yeah, we're down to almost flurries, it looks like. Yep. Maybe 1/4 of an inch of snow this time. It's barely sticking to the deck, but not too much out of this one. Yeah, winds are definitely starting to pick up. They're going to be blustery all day today. Yeah, you can hear the wind now. Oh well. Might go out to the van and sweep the snow off the windshield. Yep, snow's done. Looks like, so we'll go ahead and get the snow off the van here. Looks like it's a little bit frozen. Yeah, we'll let this warm up a bit and we'll be back. I'm going to try some Prestone windshield de-icer for windows and wipers. See how this does melt the frozen ice and snow on my windshield here. And it's working pretty quick. That's working real fast. Nice. Let's see how that works with the wipers now. Working little by little. We'll let it do its thing. We'll come back and see how quick it does this. Yeah, it's melting pretty quick. Of course, with the help of the defrost, but yeah, to kind of speed things up. It's definitely thawing out the windshield. And it's kind of dark, but you can't really see, but it is melting the ice off the windshield as it's just trickling on down. Yeah, sprayed it on, I mean, literally 5 minutes ago, and yeah, it's working very quickly. Awesome. Yeah, this is good. Works perfect. Prestone windshield de-icer. Good for deep freeze up to minus 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, that's cold. And protects against refreeze. Melts ice and frost, which it does, so perfect. And with a few flurries falling, they're just melting on contact, so perfect. Great stuff.